Hi everyone, in case you are preparing for the IBPS entrance examinations, DOEACC, NIELT, or you are a student of Symbiosis University anywhere where you have MCQs in your examination system, then do watch our complete video series of Management Information Systems. We have brought around 100 questions till now of Management Information Systems MCQs, and we are looking forward to bring another 100 set of questions of MCQs for all the students who are preparing for the interviews for any kind of entrance examinations. Right, today we'll be covering up question number 91 to 100, and continually we'll be covering up much more in the future. So do subscribe us and like the video, comment us what else you want to see. Let's start with today's lecture. So, question number 91, the term used to describe those people whose jobs involve sponsoring and funding the project to develop, operate and maintain the information system is information worker, internal system user, systems owner, external system user or systems builder. See, we are talking here about a particular person or all those people who are handling the project in the overall sense. Means they are going to take up the costing of developing, operating and maintaining the same information in the long run also. That is why the answer here is the system owner, because this person or the people are responsible for handling the project from the beginning till the end, whereas the rest of the people are involved only at a particular phase of the development of the information system. Question number 92. The person who ensures that systems are developed on time, within the budget and with acceptable quality is a system designer, project manager, system owner, external system user or system builder. In this particular question, it is only a single person who is ensuring, who is checking the development of the system from the beginning till end. He is only monitoring that the system must be developed on time, should be in the budget and must be of the acceptable quality as per the need. He is the project manager. He is completely taking care of the project in the complete sense and is employed by the system's owner. Question number 93. Which one of the following is not a business driver for an information system? Business process redesign, knowledge asset management, proliferation of networks and the internet, security and privacy, collaboration and partnership. The question here is saying any information system is developed and that information system is definitely used to manage and organize the information of any organization, and the purpose is only to bring more and more revenue and profits to the organization through its revenue generation and growth. So the ultimate goal is the बिजनेस को ड्राइव करना, बिजनेस को बेटर करना, राइट. सो कौन सा फैक्टर इनमें से ऐसा है जो कि यहाँ पर बिजनेस ड्राइवर का रोल प्ले नहीं करता है? बिजनेस प्रोसेस रीडिजाइन, दिस इज अ बिजनेस ड्राइवर बिकॉज सिस्टम को रीडिजाइन किया जाता है फॉर इट्स बेटरमेंट. नॉलेज एसेट मैनेजमेंट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिजनेस ड्राइवर बिकॉज ये नॉलेज पे काम करता है, जो लोगों की लर्निंग होती है उस पे काम करता है. सिक्योरिटी एंड प्राइवेसी इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अदरवाइज द इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी लीक्ड. कोलैबोरेशन एंड पार्टनरशिप डेफिनेटली इंक्रीजेस द बिजनेस, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ बिजनेस ड्राइवर. proliferation of networks and the internet, this is the only factor which is not the business driver because proliferation is not required here. Question number 94. The task of developing a technical blueprint and specifications for a solution that fulfills the business requirements is undertaken in the following phase of the system development process. Options: system initiation, system implementation, system analysis, system design, and feasibility studies. 5 options are given, and here we are talking about a technical blueprint. एक पूरा का पूरा ब्लूप्रिंट कौन से फेज में सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल की तैयार किया जाता है, जिसमें कि उस ब्लूप्रिंट के अंदर सारे के सारे टेक्निकल स्पेसिफिकेशंस, एक कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन एक पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए शो होता हो. दैट इज अ कंप्लीट सिस्टम डिजाइन ऑफ एनी इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, जो कि सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल के सिस्टम डिजाइन फेज में रेडी होता है. In the system development life cycle video, I have explained this part very nicely कि कैसे DFDs वहां पर ड्रॉ किए जाते हैं to depict the system designs. Question number 95 is an example based question. If a university sets up a web based information system that faculty could access to record student grades and to advise students, what would be an example of? एक पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी ने एक वेब बेस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम तैयार किया सो दैट एनी ऑफ द फैकल्टी स्टूडेंट के ग्रेड्स को, स्टूडेंट के रिकॉर्ड्स को एक्सेस कर सके, ओपन कर सके और स्टूडेंट्स को एडवाइस कर सके कि वेयर दे नीड टू डू द बेटरमेंट और where they actually need to work hard on which particular subjects. ये जो एग्जाम्पल है हमारा, ये किस तरह का एग्जाम्पल है? इट्स अ CRM, कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट, इंट्रानेट और ERP, extranet or none of the above. Here the answer is intranet. That is for a particular organization, a kind of small network which is operable within the particular organization only. Question number 96. Which of the following is not a technology driver of an information system? We are talking about कि अगर एक इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम है तो उसके टेक्नोलॉजी को अपडेट करने के लिए, टेक्नोलॉजी को ड्राइव करने के लिए which of the following is not acting as a driver? Which of the following is not suitable? Enterprise applications, object technologies, knowledge asset management, collaborative technologies, networks and the internet. The answer here is knowledge asset management. Now why? Enterprise applications are definitely a technology driver because they help the enterprise to grow. Object technologies help you to grow on the internet, so they are the technology drivers. Collaborative technologies are definitely a very good medium to collaborate with the other organizations, so it's a technology driver. Networks and the internet is the backbone of any information systems which are running on the internet at a global level these days, so it's again a technology driver. Answer is C. Question number 97. Which of the following is a deliverable of the system implementation phase in the formal system development process? In this question, we are talking about system development life cycle का implementation phase, जहाँ पर हमारा software information system is ready और अब हमें उसे use में लाना है. The options given are technical hardware and software solution for a business problem statement. Option C, statement of the system users business requirements. D, technical blueprint and specifications for a solution that fulfills the business requirements. None of the above. The answer is very clear, technical hardware and software solutions for a business problem. एक implementation phase में software development life cycle के जो उसका output आता है, deliverable होता है, वो एक सॉफ्टवेयर सॉल्यूशन रेडी होता है जो कि बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सके और इंप्लीमेंट किया जा सके. प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स फेज में आता है. स्टेटमेंट ऑफ सिस्टम यूजर्स बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट्स, अगेन रिक्वायरमेंट्स गैदरिंग का पार्ट है. टेक्निकल ब्लूप्रिंट एंड स्पेसिफिकेशंस अभी हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में पढ़ा, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ सिस्टम डिजाइन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 98. An information system that supports the planning and assessment needs of executive management is एक ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम जो कि एग्जीक्यूटिव लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट पर यूज होता है फॉर प्लानिंग एंड असेसमेंट DSS, TPS, ERP, MIS, no. 4 of them are not the correct answers. This is none of the above. E is the answer because here we have Executive Information System, EIS system, which is implemented or which is used. Question number 99. Decision makers who are concerned with the tactical short-term operational problems and decision making are middle managers, executive managers, supervisor, mobile managers, or none of the above. The answer is middle managers here because these are the managers who work at a middle level of management and deal with the tactical information. 3 levels of management होते हैं, lower, middle and top. Middle level पर we deal with the tactical operational problems and decision making and use the tactical information, and is all done by the middle managers. 100 question number. The application of information to scan an organization's environment is external communication, information overload, sensing, internal communication, none of the above. एक एप्लीकेशन ऐसा जो कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के एनवायरनमेंट की इंफॉर्मेशन को स्कैन कर सके ऑटोमेटिकली. A, B, D, E all are wrong. The answer is sensing, and this is something related to the artificial intelligence programs which are implemented at a very higher level. And with this, we have covered 100 questions of management information systems, objectives, MCQs. I'll be definitely covering much more MCQs in the future so that wherever you want to go and apply for the job, just revise and go. Thank you. All the best. Have a wonderful time.